and welcome to Vintage Automobilia and our brand new YouTube channel. Well, I say brand new, it's not brand new. We've had the channel here for a couple of months and just used it occasionally to put videos up of vehicles that we've got. But now we want to expand on that. Quite a few people have said to us in the past, why don't we do more blogs or things on our website? And it has got us thinking about sharing things with you guys more. So that's what we're going to try and do with this little video channel here, is share some of our new finds, some of our own collection, projects that we've got going on in the workshop for clients or for ourselves, and share some hints and tips on restoring things as well. There's always some trade secrets though that we're not going to share too much of, but we'll give you hints and tips and some help into what we do, whether it's cleaning an enamel sign or restoring a petrol pump. So hopefully you enjoy this. Give us some feedback, send us some messages or comments on what you would like to see on the channel. We're always excited to know what you'd like to see. We're going to try and visit some people's collections, or when we are visiting, we'll see if they'll let us do some little videos to share with our followers as well. We're going to record some bits and pieces in the workshop here, and when we're out at auto jumbles and things like that as well. Hopefully you'll enjoy the channel. Please subscribe and follow us. It'd be great to share these things with you. We know there's loads of new collectors and dealers as well coming into the motoring memorabilia scene. We love anything to do with old advertising, memorabilia, classic vehicles. Those that know us know we've got a bit of a collection ourselves of different mad things. So yeah, keep following, please share this, and yeah, let me know what you'd like to see. Thank you for watching. This is Vintage Automobilia. I'm Doug. I'll see you soon. Bye.